Is your reciprocating compressor running at peak efficiency? Discover how systematic assessments can transform maintenance from reactive to preventive. Learn how eAuditor supports safety, reliability, and digital governance. Reciprocating compressors face high mechanical stress and thermal load. Regular inspections ensure their safety and longevity. eAuditor shifts maintenance to preventive reliability engineering. Early detection of wear and leakage prevents failures. Standardized checklists and digital governance enhance maintenance efficiency. Inspect pistons, cylinders, and crankshaft alignment for mechanical integrity. Check air filters and intake valves for cleanliness and functionality. Blocked filters increase stress and energy usage. Maintenance records are verified digitally with eAuditor. This ensures consistent and reliable inspections. Proper lubrication minimizes friction and wear. Inspect oil levels and quality, and ensure cooling systems function effectively. Overheating risks are mitigated by checking fans and ventilation. eAuditor records oil readings and images for analysis. This supports proactive maintenance strategies. Pressure safety is critical in compressor maintenance. Test safety valves and check pressure gauge calibration. Inspect the air receiver tank for corrosion and weld joint integrity. eAuditor helps categorize defects and ensure safety compliance. Photographic documentation enhances audit defensibility. eAuditor generates comprehensive maintenance documentation. Reports include mechanical findings and safety valve test records. Leakage detection results and corrective actions are documented. Inspector authentication ensures report reliability. This supports preventive maintenance audits and compliance verification. Systematic assessments with eAuditor enhance compressor maintenance efficiency. Digital records support safety compliance and predictive management. Transform maintenance from reactive to preventive with eAuditor's comprehensive solutions.